All right, I'm super excited. I just got this envelope in the mail, and it's a friend sent me some Loche Squash seeds. There's several more in there. Looks like this one's broken in half, so that won't really germinate. But yeah, looks just like a normal squash seed, and that's because it is. It's a mochata type winter squash, but it's a landrace from Peru, the Lambayeque region of Peru, and they use it as a way to add aroma and flavor to dishes. It's flavorful on its own, but it's so flavorful that they need to actually mix it with other vegetables to kind of flavor the entire dish. So I'm really excited to be growing the Loche Squash next year. It's very hard to find, almost impossible. I found this person on Instagram who was willing to share with me some of the seeds. So if you want to see me grow out this really special squash, go ahead and subscribe if you wouldn't mind, and I'll be doing more video updates on growing this very cool vegetable. Thanks for watching.